I've recently had some inquiries into how to compress a folder or file on a Mac. Compressing a folder or file will reduce the file size a little bit and make it more manageable for sending via email or uploading to the internet. So you can see here I have this zip test folder on my desktop here, and it just has some test files in it, a couple files that I found on my computer, and we're going to go ahead and compress it. So the easiest way to do this is just right click it. If you don't have right click set up, just hold down the control key on the keyboard and click it, and you'll see a bunch of options. So just to show you what happens, we're going to go ahead and say get info. You don't actually need to do this when you're compressing it. You can see the compress option is just below get info. But we're going to say get info, and that's going to open up this window here, and it's going to tell us the file size of the folder. So now we'll go ahead and say compress. Zipping it about 5 seconds. It's a 69.3 megabyte folder, so it's going to go pretty quick. And then we'll say get info, and you see it's 63 megabytes. So it's not a dramatic reduce in file size, but it's enough to make it a little bit more manageable. So now to unzip it, all you have to do in the Mac is, if you have a zip file, double click it, and then the archive utility will go ahead and unzip it. And here we have zip test 2. It just duplicated a copy because we already had one named zip test on the desktop.